Sangathan 2025, a convergence of strength, skill and spirit. Uniting more than 10,000 students from over 50 Amity campuses across the world to celebrate sportsmanship. 30 electrifying days, 35 sporting events. In its 26th glorious year, Sangathan stood once again as a symbol of unstoppable strength, unity and pride. And when the final whistle blew, it was a SAIT that rose as the champions with 171 points, securing 21 gold, 19 silver and 9 bronze medals. From the arenas to the airwaves, Sangathan 2025 made headlines. Covered across media for its scale, its spirit and its spectacular showcase of youth talent. Because at Amity, every victory is more than a moment, it's a mindset. Sangathan 2025, one spirit, one Amity, one legacy.